Today I'm gonna go showcasing the nether portal of Smoke SMP and the spawn of the Smoke SMP. Don't forget to slap that like button. Like what? This is the arena of Smoke SMP. This is where we fight, all in that. This is my favorite place because I'm a PvPer. That's why I like this. That's why. And this was built super good by Carl. This one is the best one out of yet. And this is my base. My base is actually good. That's my that thing is my throne, and this is my other house. And here where I kidnap and breed them there, and that's my main house here. This is the main one. I built this truly, and that's the secret room, and this is the enter chest, and this is the middle one. Okay, now we're gonna showcasing Carl's house castles. He built this. This is built by Carl, and I don't know where's the entrance, so we need to find it. But where's the entrance? Okay, let me just sneak in. Let's just look. Okay, where's the freaking entrance, bro? Where's the freaking entrance? Where's the freaking entrance? Fine. Okay, let me find it first. Yo, I finally find it. Bro's base is empty. Bro only got a throne. For himself. Bro spore. Bro's base is crap. His base is ugly. So let's go at my friendly friend Keepa. Keepa's base is actually good. Goody. Where's the heck that base again? Bro's base is flying. Wait a minute. Don't forget to slap that like button and hit the subscribe button like it's the nuclear weapon. This is the throne of Keeper. Let me just sit. Yeah, that's comfortable. And all I gonna say today, shout out to Car for building the server, and shout out to Keeper for being a new player in Minecraft. And y'all need to subscribe in their channel. Their channel is actually goody. Bro, Carl's just bro ready for PvP but always get beaten up. Okay, and I'll see you on my next video.